Hi there everyone. First of all, I want to thank each and every one of all the nice and good people who came by and said hello in person on the Danish Flyfishing Festival this weekend. That's also why the showroom here, our shop, is a bit is a bit messy because we're still unpackaging from that. That was a great event and really was nice to see so many of you also from all over the world there, and that was really nice. So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much. The other thing that those who attended the fair saw was that we have changed our name. From now on, the name of our shop, and the only thing that is, well, the important thing that has changed is our name. We are still the same people behind it. It's just the name, and of course a very important change as well is we have upgraded the platform. We have changed to a completely new platform with loads and tons of new features, very much more easier, much faster. Everything is nicer to look at, it's better designed, it's easier to navigate. All of that is for you, and the new address is nordicanglers.com. And this is our logo. The reason we've decided to change our name is simply because flytying.eu was a nice name, but it indicated that all we had was flytying. And that is of course not the case. We have Nautilus, we have Einas, and we have Sage, we have Sims, we have Scott, we have Ryu, we have all sorts of different things. So we are more than just flytying. Of course, flytying is the key in our business and the most important part of our business, but we wanted to signal and to show that we are more than just fly tying. So Nordic Anglers, completely new website, nordicanglers.com. Hope to see you there. Thank you for watching, and good luck out on the waters.